to... Oh my, still like the box. No. You like it? You like it? You approve? Actually, sit. My dog is making me company for this video. So yes, I have been away for a while, and my actual plan was to start come back again last year around this time, but we all know what happened, so it just didn't feel right, if you know what I mean. It just felt wrong. I don't know, but so why am I back now when still nothing, pretty much nothing changed? To be honest, it's for my own sanity, and I hope it's for yours too. I need to talk about something other than all the negativity that is going on. I need to talk about beauty and fashion and those silly, beautiful things that make our lives better and fun. And yes, you know, I hope you know what I mean. That is it. From now on, I will be posting once a week for now, on Thursdays, every Thursday, and around noon Mountain Central Time. I hope. I don't know how that's gonna be where you live, but that's the time I'm planning to post my videos. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for staying with me up to this point. So let's start with the fun part. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, this is the handle. You saw that for Valentine's Day I got a little bit of something from Gucci, and I actually was debating to make reels for my Instagram account, but then I decided, why not start this YouTube journey again with the bang, with something fun. So as you know, I got a little something in this green box from Gucci. I online ordered this. This was my first time to do it online. I usually shop in the store, so it was kind of a little bit, not weird, but just like I like to, especially with luxury purchases and things that cost a lot of money, I like to see it in person and to touch. And I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But anyhow, it came in a big cardboard box, but they sent me also this Gucci tote shopping bag, which I think it's really nice for groceries, fancy grocery shopping. My receipts and return postage and everything else came in this envelope, which is again nice. So I love the new packaging. Green one, I have black and white one, which is also really nice, but I really do like it. I don't know if you can see the texture on the box. It's just pretty, I mean. So okay, let's start. Okay. Oops. Let me take this away. This is mini, I think, no, sorry, small Jackie bag from, Let me take this all off first, and then I'll talk about the bag. Okay, I had to like clean everything and adjust everything so that you can see properly. So this is it. It has another strap, so you can make it off shoulder, which is, I think it's amazing for like shoppings and stuff. But I love it like this, like a top handle. I love old hardware. I love that it's so simple and beautiful. It opens just with the press of the button. Inside it has one zip pocket in the back, and in front it has another pocket. It's, I don't know if you can see, but it's suede lined, and it looks so luxurious and so beautiful. I don't know if you know the history of the Jackie bag, but in the 50s, 60s, Gucci created a bag that Jackie Kennedy was, pictures were taken of Jackie Kennedy wearing the bag, and it went like crazy, like everyone, it sold out. So Gucci renamed the bag, I think appropriately, and last year, I think, or at the end of 2019, they redesigned it. This, and they have, this is a small one. Yes, small one. They have mini, small, medium, and large, and they have them in amazing colors like pink, turquoise, red, black, like fun, really fun colors. I fell in love with this one. I love that the leather is smooth and nice. I will let you know about wear and tear, because the leather is so smooth. And I like I said, I love that it has additional like a belt, so you can adjust it and wear it crossbody if you prefer. But even like this, I think it's so cute. It's just perfect bag. It's on a smaller side. I mean, it's a small bag, but I think it's the shape, the size is just perfect. It's timeless. It's so elegant, and I don't have any green colors in any green bags in my collection. So yeah, this is my new baby. Let me down in the comments, what do you think? Do you like it or not? I love it. I just absolutely love it. So yeah, that is it. That is my new baby, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you I'm sorry for blabbering at the beginning, but I think it was worth it. So that is it for today. I hope to see you all next Thursday. Please leave a comment. What do you think about my new bag? And of course, please leave a comment of suggestion. What would you like to see on this channel from now on? I would love to hear your opinions. So that is it for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope, if you're not already, you will subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you all next Thursday. Bye for now.